Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how international students can open up Lloyds bank account online without visiting the branch. So it is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so just sit back and relax and watch till the very end. So let's get started with it already. So first of all, you need to just open up your browser, and you can perform these tasks on your mobile device or on your laptop or PC. So open up your browser and then just search for Lloyds bank account for international students. And after that, you will see this search result. Just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results. Just open it up, and this is where it will lead us to. After that, you need to just scroll down a little bit, a little more, and then in the section of who can apply for a student current account, you will be able to see this option of international students. It is clickable, just click on it, and after that, this is where it will lead us. And here you can see that what are the benefits that you will be getting as an international student for opening up this classic account. So we will be getting the debit card, cash withdrawals, and up to 500 a day from the cash points or the cash machine. And there will be no overdraft facility for the students who have lived less than 3 years in UK. So in order to be eligible for this particular facility, you need to at least spend 3 years in UK. After that, you will be able to avail this overdraft facility, and you will be able to receive and send money from outside the UK or in foreign currency using this account. So all you have to do is just click on this option of classic account details. Just click on it, and after that you need to just scroll down, and here you will find this option of I am ready to apply. Just click on it, and here you will find this option of apply now, but make sure that you are eligible for it and you fulfill the eligibility criteria for it. And after that, you need to just click on this option of apply now. Now it will ask us to use our mobile device in order to scan this particular QR code. So it can take picture of us and get the identity proof. But it's okay if we continue on our mobile device for now, as we will be getting this option even after the completion of the whole process. So for now, just click on this option of continue. And here we need to select this option of no, as we are not existing customer of Lloyds Bank. And it is asking us whether we didn't provide the ID proof the last time we applied, but we didn't. This is the first time that we are applying for this, so we will select no. And if it is going to be our main account, then here select yes. After that, you need to just scroll down and click on this option of continue. Now you need to provide all your details here and then click on continue. Let me provide my details over here. I'm just typing in the details which are not correct, by the way. I'm just doing it all as an example. You need to provide your correct details in order to get your identity proof and everything else get to be done. Just choose accordingly. If you select yes, then it won't give you any options. If you are a student, then obviously you are here for an limited period of time. Then you need to select when is your visa is getting expired or when it needs extension. So just you need to select the date. It should be there with you. And after filling up all the details, you need to just click on this option of continue. Here you need to provide your postcode and house or flat number, and after that you can just click on continue. So let me find mine. And after filling in the details of your address, you need to select the other options as well, like do you have a partner or spouse, just choose accordingly. And do you live on rent or you own the house? And here let me select I rent my home. 700. How much do you pay towards childcare cost, maintenance, or school university fees each month? Zero. And just fill the details as they are asked in this form, and after filling all of it, just click on continue and then select any of it. I am unemployed. Are you tax resident outside the UK? And if you have been paying tax outside UK, then you need to select yes, otherwise no, and then click on continue. After that, you need to provide your phone number, which is based in UK, and your email address. And also you need to select whether you want the marketing updates or product offers from Lloyds Bank. Then you need to select just yes or no as per your requirement or your choice. And if you want the notifications on your device which is related to your bank account, then you can just select yes or no. Here yes would be fine. Let me fill up the details over here. After providing all your details, you need to just click on continue again. And here it will ask you whether you want to switch or not. So we are just opening up an account and we don't want any switches over here. So we will just select no and then click on this option of continue without switching. Wait for a while and let it load. And after that, you need to just scroll down to the very end. And here you need to tick this box. And here click on this option of complete application. Now you need to choose a password for you, and your phone number is your username. So we will choose a password for us right now. Then click on this option of I agree to the internet banking agreements, and after that you can just click on continue. Now it will ask you to provide a proof of your ID, and now you need to switch to your mobile device. And for that, you can just open up your mobile phone and the scanner in your mobile device. Then just scan this particular code that appears on your device over here. And after that, you need to just provide the ID proof. And this is basically save you from visiting the nearest branch, and you can do it online. And after that, your account will get confirmed and you will receive the debit card and all the other papers or other stuff from the bank, from the Lloyds Bank on your address that you have just provided. And this is how you open Lloyds Bank account being an international student online. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. We will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.